I figured out what was going on. I had attached for this riser here, they have these things that you screw into the riser cable, and I had put it on the wrong side of the video card, so it wasn't lining up. So if I lined up the grooves with that fit into the bottom of here, then the screws wouldn't align to put it in there. So now I have all that. I put it on the other side of the card, and now everything seems to line up. So I can have the video card all the way seated, and then these thumb screws can go in easily. And later I'll screw this one in where you could have a second video card. Right now I don't have two video cards, so it'll just be empty. And then I can screw down this card. And now the video card is in place, and the only thing that's left now is to start bending tube. I need to plug this into a header on the motherboard. I'll have to look at the manual to find out where is a good header for that. So that's it.